Chessa here from Bad Bunny Agency, helping you grow online as an adult creator on OnlyFans and beyond. If you want some growth hacks and some real strategy, you can click the bell, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Anyways, today I'm talking about what I do personally as an adult creator. It's a way, I'm going to share with you like the ways that I have been able to achieve passive income and just some income diversification through the adult content industry. Anyways, let's break it down. I don't believe that anybody should just be on one platform. And yes, that also means OnlyFans. There's something called Sex Panther, there's something called iFans, and of course there's cam sites like Cam Soda, Chatterbait, etc. And I wanted to mention another one, Foxy is a new one. Some of these platforms market for you, some of them don't. Obviously, we have an agency, so we take care of the marketing for creators. However, if you are on your own, still doing it, still growing, it's just important to make sure that you're not just on one. For example, when I first started out, I was on OnlyFans, and I wasn't making very much money off of 25 subscribers per month, but I started doing Sex Panther, and I ended up making about $1,500 a month, and then put that in combination with the money that I was making on OnlyFans, and ended up being, something. So that's like a really big tip. It's something that's on my heart and in my mind to really teach people, is to make sure that they're diversified. Another big way is something like ManyVids. ManyVids allows you to upload videos, and then you can continuously sell them online. And why that's really important is because that's a passive income portion of your income. So I wake up in the morning, I see that, maybe 15 videos have sold for $10 each. Well, that's $150 while I slept. So if you are interested in growing, increasing your following, increasing your subscribers, and really just increasing your income online, get in touch with myself or Marketing with Dom.